Okay, I'm unmuted now. Yo, 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 what is up, people? How's everyone going? Hopefully good. So, as Nexus has pointed out in the chat right now, yours truly, have channel points. And have also Oh wait, shut up me. There we go. There we go. So now, I'm able to do animated emotes too. So that's what I'm going to be doing this stream. I'll try to get some of that set up, and then once that's set up, I might do a bit more of the commission after that. But I'm sort of excited to try to get the emotes working. I still haven't got it working. Test 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. Oh, well, I'm not really here, but I can see your text, so I mean that's close, right? It's close. You have channel points, Pog. Same Vini fact in a row. Oh, you're right. Whoops, I didn't change the Vini fact. Oopsie daisies. Well, I guess I'll change it next time. My bad, my bad. I forgot. That was a mistake. Oh well. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to switch over to DaVinci because I want to be able to export this GIF and upload it to Twitch and be able to get it working. So what I have right now is I have the dancing Vini and it's a loop. I've zoomed in just so it's more because I'm pretty sure emotes are pretty small, right? Actually, I'm gonna make this smaller. I need to be able to see the chat. It feels so awkward not having two screens. I hate it. I hate it. But I don't have the stuff set up yet. I can't find a cord. I swear I have a power cord from the monitor, but I just can't find one. So yeah, I'm still just working off the laptop monitor, so everything's cramped into one fucking small ass screen. But it's fine, it's fine. I can work with this. I can work with this. Oh, I should make the chat move over here then, if I'm doing that. Just so it's a little bit more consistent, if you know what I mean. Maybe my little dude too. All right. So we got the guy. I'm pretty sure. Wait, I haven't exported it correctly. Let's export this. So we'll end it there. No, still doing it wrong. That's weird. Why is it doing that? Look at the chat, you blind bastard. No custom chat animator renderer shape. Okay, not all of us know how to code our own shaders and overlay and stuff. Next, all right, all right. Give me a break. Give me a break. Plus, I like the clean, not really clean, but I like this the shitty sort of put together thing. But let me just. This is weird. Why is it acting like this? Let's zoom in. Yo, what's up, Fractal? Give me some good news, please. Cross guy, I'm ditching the Discord, it seems. What? What does ditching the Discord mean? Well, good news. I got the affiliate and now it's working. I've got the emotes. The reason it wasn't working before and it wasn't letting me access stuff because it was because I didn't give Twitch my tax info. So it didn't give me access to this stuff. But after giving them like my TFN and shit like that, it worked, which is cool. Bro, why is this working the way it is? Why does it not just allow me to huh? Why can't I end it on the end here? What? Why are they making everyone identify the age? I don't know, man. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it a lot. I wish they weren't doing that shit. For trying to make everything identify. It's especially annoying too, because like for my like government stuff too, they're doing like ID based things. So in order to like get it, in order to log into my stupid tax account, in order to find my tax file number, I had to log in, and it was so difficult because I had to set up like a different app on my phone in order to do like an ID verification, and then I had to use the actual MyGov app on the phone to look at all the services. Then I had to go through to the tax um, service through the MyGov app just for it to not to work because I didn't use strong enough ID, even though I already did the strong ID using the other app. And I just couldn't get it to work on my phone, and I had to do it on my desktop. This shit is so broken. God, I hate it. I hate it so much. I hate, I hope to God they don't try to introduce that ID shit into the other services, or else I'm just gonna lose my fucking mind. Oh, DaVinci does that sometimes. If you set it at the point where it is over the clip, it works normal. Frame range is not affected, I think. See. Then you try to just wait, so how do I fix it? If you set the point, can I just do it like this then? Oh, okay, that works. Okay, I see. That's odd. Why does it work like that? Whatever, whatever, whatever. Let's just export this GIF, try to upload it to Twitch to see if it works. So actually, let's make sure we've set this up correctly. Actually, I'll start with the bottom part because I want to do, I want to see if I can like have two emotes play on top of each other. I mean, I guess that's nice, but it'd be nice if governments could just make their fucking services work, though. You think that'd be, you think that'd be better? Like, I didn't even want to have to use the strong ID thing, but it locked me out of my freaking tax account. It's like, nope, you're not allowed to go into your tax account until you make a strong ID, or you like call up the tax office. And I was just like, well, I'm not fucking doing that, so I guess I have to make, I guess I have to make the strong ID thing, just for it to not even work on my phone, and I have to go on the desktop. Somehow the frame counter slides half. Hmm, I see. Let's move this over just a little bit. I don't like where it's currently at. I probably can move it to a bit more to the side. Probably this one. Like that, so it's more centered. Yeah, I think that's better. So I want to have one down here that does this one, and then I want to have one that's higher that does the head. But I probably could zoom in more, I think. So I have this. Then I want to copy this and export that, and I'll just export them as two different things. So we'll lower this one. Where is it? It's like here. So we gotta lower it like so. Let's do a different point. That's easier. Yeah, here should be easier. In the middle. Actually, maybe just start. Yeah, start frame's easy. So we can see half the button. Wait, button? Wait, what button? Wait, what the hell is that? Oh, wait, never mind. I misinterpreted it. This. So this can be the top part, dancing, and then this is the bottom part. And I want to see if I can like put the head part and then the upper part underneath it. If I paste it, if I copy paste them at the same time, we'll do the full dance.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yo, what's up, T? Yeah, decentralize it. Yeah, it's fucking trash. I don't know what the hell the governments around the world are trying to do with this whole like IDs sort of thing online, but I hate it. I hope we don't go to the trend of countries like what is it, South Korea, where you have to do your like ID just to like use sites like League of Legends. Like, isn't there a thing where they have like when someone shits talk on League of Legends, they can actually get like sued or something from it? I swear I've seen something like that. God, I hope we're not going down that path. I fucking hope not. God, I hate it. I hate it. No, why does the future look so bleak? Okay, so this is the lower half. So let's find the lower half, then zoom lower, save that, replace it, export this, read only. No, it's not. Export it. Okay, cool. Now let's go to the edit, go over to this one, and then we'll export this one. So this one's going to be zoom higher. It could sync for whatever reason. I don't know why, but whatever. Export that. All right. Let's check the what is it called? The file size of these. What is the size? Okay, so it's underneath a megabyte, so I should be able to upload it to Twitch. So let's go to Twitch now and let us go over to where is it? Emotes. Yeah, it was so weird, bro, trying to get this Twitch stuff to work. It was so like the animated emotes, the button's here now, but when I first like set it up, it just wasn't working. There was no button for it. I'm like, what? Do I not have any animated emotes? And I was like so sad. I was like, oh, I don't have any. What the fuck? But no, it apparently it just needed some time to like update or whatever. Oh, the channel pointer is no longer blank. It actually has stuff now. Nice. Don't know how to use that, but it's good to have it there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Unfortunately, I have no survival skills, so I'd pretty much just I wouldn't make it. We'll call this emote dance up, dance head, and we'll upload that. Pending approval. What the fuck? What is this shit? What is this pending approval shit? Okay, let's do the lower view. Dance lower. Upload. Damn, how long does it take for it to be approved? If there's anything like anything else in this, it's probably gonna take ages, huh? So let's just Google it real quick. Twitch, how long for emotes to be approved? Question mark. It looks like yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll be like oh, thank God, there's a fucking fluffy ass pillow in the middle of the forest. What a coincidence. How convenient. And then I'll like get eaten by a fucking bear. Like that, that would be me. Fortunately, we don't have bears in Australia, I'm pretty sure. So, I mean, that wouldn't actually happen, but, just an example, just an example. Fuck. Okay, so bad news is that apparently it might take like multiple days for the email to be approved. So that sucks. Hmm. On another note, I guess we could do some other things. Let's try to do some of the what is it called? The redeem, is it called? Is it redeem? I think it's called redeems. How does the redeems even work? I don't know. Let me have a look at which redeem should we do first? Am I able to make a redeem that doesn't require too many points or something? Hold up. We need to look this shit up. We need to, how to set up redeems Twitch. I probably shouldn't have done this on the All right, we have to yeah, drop theirs. Of course, of course. How could I forget? How could I forget? Making a first channel point redeem. Oh, and a VTuber, so you can know they can be trusted. Wait, let me put the audio so that everyone else can hear. Let's switch it from DaVinci and we'll go to Blender for now. We'll probably actually have to go to Warado in order to set up the redeem, but let's just let's just set it to Blender scene. And actually, maybe I should just view this in what is it called? Yeah, fuck it. I'm actually gonna open this into like a window browser and I'm just gonna you guys can just watch this tutorial with me. Fuck it, I say. Fuck it. Just copy that link. Okay. Now let's go to studio mode and let's just set up the browser settings. Make sure we're not doing the wrong browser. Is it this one? Honestly, I can't tell. I need to close that. I think this is working. Yeah, okay, let's transition that for YouTube. And let's go down to browser. Why is my head so big? Why is my head so big? Let's get me out of the fucking way. Well, you can never make a more of a stupid mistake than I did, Lo. What do you mean? What mistake did you make? Huh?
Set up the first channel for the caption for streams. But don't know how to set it up proper. Here's a tutorial on how I use it. Like I know as an expert
Fuck, let's mix it up. Okay, let's just see what this is.
on Twitch, we're gonna go to our creator.
Wait a minute. Am I sending the audio to YouTube? I don't. Ah, yeah, it looks like I am. But I haven't set the audio to the this one. See if that works now.
Dashboard, and under Viewer Rewards,
There
we're
we
going to
go.
select Power-Ups and Channel Points.
Okay, let me actually just let me just open that up. So Twitch power-ups, let's go there. PC crash has been 30 minutes troubleshooting with the stream. When I started, OBS kept saying I was streaming. I didn't see anything with YouTube side. Yeah, yeah. Bro, that's like one of the most annoying things about streaming is that it's really hard to know if you're actually like showing stuff right to the stream or if like you're not noticing things. It's like the other day when I completely ignored YouTube. I just didn't even notice. Oh, damn. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, I just stopped bothering using multiple accounts. I originally was going to use the Vini YouTube channel to do the Vini stuff, but yeah, I decided against it. It was too much effort to change the profiles constantly. Yeah. Like like normally I have like another screen that I have like this OBS on that I can look at sometimes, but especially now since I'm only using one monitor, it's like impossible. So I just have to fucking hope. I just have to hope that I'm actually streaming what I think I'm streaming. Okay.
Go ahead and select Manage Power Up and Channel Points.
Manage power up. Where was that? Okay. Yeah. True, true, true.
And scroll down to add a new custom channel point.
Wait, what was that she just did?
Points and
Wait, I need to turn this shit up. What? Why is 720p the max amount? What the fuck? What the hell? 720p? Oh my god. For a video? Yeah.
scroll down to add a new custom channel point.
Add new custom channel. Create new custom channel reward. Okay, I think I found it.
For the name, we'll keep it simple and type first.
Okay. What do I want this channel to reward be? We'll do the anvil one. That should be simple, right? We'll do mini anvil. Mini actually we'll just say anvil. Anvil. Drop anvil. What is the cost?
I won't add a description and I'll leave the text button off. And for the amount, we'll leave it at 1 point.
Okay, let's leave it at 1 point.
I like my channel points to be color coordinated, so I'll change it to a specific color.
Okay. That makes sense, color coordination. We'll make it pink for Mini Vini. You can't say anything, yours is also. I mean, yeah, bro, I'm streaming though. There's a difference, alright? I'm streaming. Like, I used to stream at 1080p, but I can't anymore because I don't have the internet for it. But this is a video, right? They're doing a video. Like, they can upload a video at a higher quality. Like, trust me, if it was my choice, I would not be streaming at 7 fucking 20p right now, but I just can't. I mean, I just don't have a choice. It's the highest I can do.
Let's do that. Finally, we're going to enable cooldown and limits and have
Enable cooldown and limits.
the limit redemption per stream
Limit redemptions per stream. I'll say 5. What are they gonna say?
be 1.
1. Okay. Alright
This
then.
means that only one person can redeem this channel point per stream.
Limit redemptions per user per stream. I'll say 1 for that one. So only one person can do it, but we can make a total of 5.
Finally, select Create. And
All right, create.
now we have the channel point ready to go.
Oh, is that it? Now it's a thing? Okay, we got a custom one. So how do we actually use it though? They should explain,
Now we're
right?
going to go ahead and open Mix It Up to set up the inventory
Okay, this is software that I don't know anything about, so this doesn't seem relevant.
item.
All right, let's go back to Blender because I don't think this is going to be compatible with what I want to do. We will go to Blender, Blender, Blender. We'll close this shit, this window. Well, I guess you're streaming on YouTube and Twitch, makes sense. Each one gets half. Yeah. I mean, that's that's the thing. Like, I think I can upgrade my internet. I just need to it's just that it's not like someone else's house I'm living in right now, so it's not as simple as just talking to the provider and getting it set up. I need to like talk to the person because it also changes how we organize the money, so it needs to be like a whole conversation. So yeah. Let's look at Warado instead. I'm gonna close DaVinci now because I'm pretty sure can't really do anything there. Let's go to the Warado scene. Where's Warado? Here it is, Warado. Warado. Open this. Let's just make sure that I'm streaming it. Yes, sirree. But my guy's like way too big again. Why? Why is he always so fucking massive? Get the hell out of the way. Yeah, but honestly, like, oh, that reminds me, Nexus, if you're still there, you should probably make the scroll bigger. Like, look how much room I use for my chat, and like your scroll is like really tiny. It's like I feel like it deserves more space, you know? Okay, so let's go to blueprints. There's nothing set up here. This is the wrong one. Fuck, we have to open the right scene. No, which scene is it? Is it this one? When close, guys, go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drop on head? Is this it? Oh wait, what's happening on Twitch right now? Oh, it's got the two characters. Okay, let's hide one. Let's hide this one. I forgot it. Like you don't see me now because it's Warado's looking at the other thing. Okay, it's fine. Let's just take Mini and we'll move her more in this so we can see it. And let's go back to Warado. Let's change the camera to Mini. Let's zoom out so we can actually see her whole body. And now let's just test it to see if this blueprint still works. So it's drop on head, right? Yeah, it works. It works. Okay. So now we need to figure out how to link it up to the redeem. Let me think. So we probably need a WebSocket, right? WebSocket action. So, or do we want to do WebSocket raw? No, I'll probably stick with action. That means I have to open up Streamlabs and look at it in action. I mean, it should already be connected, right? So, hmm. Isn't JSON string like action my action to localhost? You know what? We'll just look at we'll just use the raw message instead. Potentially? Yeah, we'll just use the raw message. No, I don't really want to. Let's look at that YouTube channel. What is it called? Warudo tutorial. Like Fu something. Kana Fu Yuko. That's the one. That's the one. So we'll take Kana Fuyuko and then we'll just search for redeem. Redeem. And we get what video? This one. Yeah, I don't need to watch the whole video. I'm pretty sure I can just she has the code for the C stuff in the description. Unless they don't. Regrets. Damn it. Damn it. It's not there. Okay, maybe this is the wrong video. Make a dance? Shit. Okay, this isn't working. Alright, how do we do this? How do we do this? We're going to need a WebSocket action, and we're going to need something to drive that action. In order to drive that action, we need to have StreamerBot, which does an action based on redeem. And then that action has to have a sub-action that does what? Sends a signal to Warado, right? Yeah. So let's go into StreamerBot, go into actions. Let me, do I have a StreamerBot scene? I think I do. There we go. Yo, you can see. We'll just hide Mini for now. And we need to set up a new action, right? So I guess we'll add, we'll just call it test R, test R. And then we'll do a trigger, and the trigger is going to be what? The trigger is going to be Twitch, right? Twitch, is there a redeem? Subscriptions? No. Raid? No. Channel? Follow? Go? Hmm. Emotes? No. Share chat? How the fuck do I do redeem? Where's redeem? Shouldn't there be like a ads, channel, channel goal, channel reward? What does reward mean? You know what? I think I need a tutorial. I think I need a tutorial. Let's go back to YouTube, Kana, Boo, redeem. So that's 2 years. That's way too old. Let's do the one that's 1 year. We'll copy that, and then we'll open up a different thing, just so that you guys can watch it with me. You know what? I've been sitting down for too long. It's time to stand up. Except, let me just put that. Now I've got myself a standing desk, so instead of having to use a bunch of boxes like in Thailand, I can press a button and rise, rise desk. Hell yeah. This is amazing. I love this so much. I love it so much. I can just press this stupid ass button and the desk just rises. A little slow, but it's fine. Alrighty. Alrighty. And just like that, we're standing. Okay, let me just replug in the cord. Hmm. there we go. Okay, so what we can do now is we'll do what we were doing before, and we will go to the browser scene. Studio mode, browser, switch this over to this one. I think so. Transition. Okay. Let's just hide mini because there's a little bit, there's too many minis on on the screen right now. Now, how do I set this up? Oh, there's a channel points redeem. Interesting. Oh, you have to connect Twitch? Interesting. Shit. I see. So you connect Twitch using Warudo. I don't really want to do that. Like, am I not already connected to Twitch using StreamerBot? Is that really necessary? I don't really want to log into it using another service. I mean, another software if I don't need to. All right, never mind. This was a terrible idea. This was a terrible idea. No, this isn't going to work. All right. All right. So much for that. So much for that. Okay. So, how do we go forward from here? I'll just have to yeah, I'm just gonna ask like the fucking the GPT or whatever it is on how to do it. Yeah, I'll just ask ChatGPT how to set up the streamer bot to send an action on an redeem. I mean, there should really just be a fucking like act or redeem action here, right? Twitch. Maybe I just didn't see it. What are great ideas, but terrible ideas people stuck with long enough? I'm not really sure. I mean, is it really a terrible idea if people stuck with it a really long time? I mean, surely it has its place if it was implemented in the first place, and it was. I mean, there's probably things out there that were good, but aren't so much now. But it's just too much of a hassle to change it. I guess that's like all software, right? Just it's is that why shit keeps breaking down and the internet keeps going down with Cloudflare and shit like that? Because it's all built on stuff. I don't know. Name one great idea that wasn't terrible. The wheel. How about that? Pneumatic charity chat. Maybe channel reward is what it is. Reward redemption? Any? Create reward? I don't know. I don't know. All right, let's just ask ChatGPT. Enough of this. Enough experimenting. Let's just ask it. Um, Chat GPT. Yo, what's up, you stupid ass bot? Here's this thing. I need you to basically tell me how in StreamerBot to set up an action that will trigger a Twitch redeem. StreamerBot. What are you talking about? What? How is it terrible? Your childhood dog was killed by a wheel? That sounds like a fucking okay. I was gonna say something, but I probably shouldn't. Um, you know, it just hey man, what can you do? Like I don't think that's that bad. Like wheel's pretty good, and it's not really nothing without the axle. Like you can have a cart, right? Like four wheels on top of like a crate, underneath a crate. Then you got yourself a cart. You don't need no axle for that. Like I'm pretty sure the wheel's a pretty good invention. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. What about what about bread? Huh? What about bread? You gonna call bread a bad invention? Let's see you try. Cake. Let's say you say cake is bad. Hey man, if it rolls, it's a wheel. I mean, like sort of, not really, but whatever. Trigger an action when a redeem happens. Go to Twitch, go to creator, channel points, creator, your redeem exists. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Open StreamBot, go to platforms, Twitch, channel point rewards. Platforms, Twitch, channel. There is no point rewards. It's lying to me. It's lying to me. Yeah, I mean, like, I wouldn't say the French Revolution was exactly a good one, a good thing. There was didn't actually like didn't like the first one not even result in democracy. It just went back to monarchy anyway, you know, except it just resulted in a bunch of people dying. I'm not sure if you can really call the French Revolution a good thing. Yeah, I'm not going to use ChatGPT. I'm just going to use AI Studio, the Google version. I'm just gonna use copy paste of images. Yo, 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 you stupid ass bot. Can you please tell me how to set up StreamerBot to create an action that has a trigger on a Twitch redeem that does something? I don't know, it doesn't matter. I just need to have the trigger for the Twitch redeem. Bread was a seed of all evil, as the invention of bread caused the rise of power structure. What are you talking about? Bro. What? Would you prefer to be a fucking hunter-gatherer society still? Just in the just in the field, fucking dying to fucking scraped knee? No, 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 no. I don't think so. Turning grain into food, it's great. It's necessary. Bro, no, never in a million years. You, I cannot live without my aircon. It's not happening. Return the monkey. Fuck no. Hell no, bro. Fuck the monkeys. Get that shit out of here. I lived without aircon once. Never again. Never a fucking again. Go to platforms, Twitch accounts, blah blah blah. Go to actions, add, name action, whatever. Go to trigger, channel points, Twitch, channel points, reward redemption. Okay, so it is what I thought it was. Okay. So Twitch, channel rewards, reward redemption. Okay, so that is what it is supposed to be. God, why is the Google AI so much better than the ChatGPT one? Probably because it automatically assigns the chat bot to something that's like lightweight. Is that right? I'm not gonna lie, Fractal, I don't know if I necessarily buy that, but we'll see, I guess. It'll be within our lifetime. Oh, Nexus redeemed one anvil. It doesn't do anything yet, though. It doesn't do anything. But it will. It will at some point. How did you do that? How did you redeem it? Interesting. I don't know how you do that yet.
Look at the
Scammed.
blind box.
Scammed. And you won't be able to use it for the rest of the stream. To configure the window will pop up you have options, an existing or a new reward. If you haven't made it yet, simply make a reward field. If you already made the reward on Twitch, look for the reward drop down. See, but that's what it's saying. It's saying if I already made it in Twitch, it should show up here. But it fucking doesn't. I'm just gonna do any. You owe me an anvil. Okay, okay. I'll give you +1 anvil. We'll see. We'll see though. We'll just do any. I don't know, because I really don't know how to hmm. I'm just gonna do a screenshot of this, give it to the bot, and see what it says. So it says any, but there's no drop down. Are you sure that's how it works? Because I have created the thing. On Twitch. No, 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 let me cook. I'm running an entire 3 about. I see. All right. Well, once you're done with that video, like essay, just let us see. Let us see. Age check? What is power? Says Fractal. Power is the ability to do. To do what? Whatever it takes. Whatever it fucking takes. This implies that Streambot hasn't synced with Twitch to get your current. It doesn't automatically pull every second, so you have to make your reward. It doesn't know. Close the edit thing. Go to all platforms. Go to platforms tab in the Streamabot window. Click on the Twitch tab, and then in the okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go to Twitch. Going to switch the thing over to Blender, just in case we don't need to see this. Alright, good night, T. Till next time. Ciao, ciao. Good answer. I'm glad you're satisfied. I'm glad you're satisfied. Okay, so it says to go to platforms to Twitch, and then it says the channel point rewards, and then it says, but there's no refresh. What the fuck is it talking about? What does it mean refresh? Right click anywhere on the screen. There's no refresh. You're fucking, damn it, bot. You're lying to me. I think. Oops. There is no refresh. I think you're fucking full of shit. Oh, the ability to get other people to do shit on your behalf. I mean, that's still technically doing stuff, right? You're getting like as long as your will is being done, like, you're still doing stuff. It's just semantics, that's just semantics. Okay, I might need to disconnect Twitch from StreamerBot and then reconnect it to see if it updates it. So this might kill my chat for a second. So I might not, hopefully I don't miss anything, but just keep that in mind. Cool, let me quickly close it and reopen it. Reopen chat.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yo, what is that emote? It's cool, it's cool. Um, Basically everything you can think of when it comes to structure of the file can be broken down to this, I suppose. Hold up, where the so okay, so I've reopened it. So if I go back to the platforms and I go to Twitch, I go to channel point rewards. Oh, it's there. It is there. Okay, cool. So it is right. All right, so we should be able to go back to actions and select that one, hopefully. So let's go to where is it? The Wardo scene now. We will select StreamerBot. We will go to StreamerBot and we will go to where is it? Test R here. Anvil. There we go. Okay, cool. So now we should have a thing that triggers on the anvil thing, but now we need to create a sub action that sends what is it called? That sends where is Wardo? Here it is. That sends a WebSocket action. Okay, I don't remember how to do that. Let's just ask freaking the AI. All right, cool. I've created the sub action and the trigger. I mean, I haven't created sub. What am I? Okay, let me reset that. Fucking hell. I can't even ask the question correctly. All right, cool. I've created the trigger. It sees the anvil trigger redeemed there, so that's working. I need a sub action now that will basically send a signal over to Warado. There should be a way to do a sub action from StreamerBot to Warado. Can you, I don't know, just set that up for me? Maybe just some C code, or I don't know how you're supposed to do it. No, it's not C code, it's C sharp or whatever. C++? I don't fucking know, honestly. I don't know. Whatever. It'll understand. It'll understand. It knows more than me. AI overlord, tell me how to do this, please. Please, AI overlord. Probably shouldn't be using Pro version if I don't have to. You don't need C code for this. Writing code, blah blah, waste of time. It's fine. Just tell me how to do it then. Turn on the StreamBot server. I mean, I know it's connected, but no, we're already connected to the WebSocket. What? Wait, Wardo needs to connect. Want to see. So in StreamerBot, go to this Servers and Clients tab. Go to the WebSocket server sub tab. Make sure auto start is checked. Start server. Okay, yeah, it's already connected. Open Wardo. Blah blah. In the WebSocket URL. Connected. The actual trigger. Whenever the magic. Open the blueprints editor and Wardo. Right click and add a node on streamer bot action. There is no on. What are you talking about? What is it talking about? I'm pretty sure it's hallucinating. Pretty sure there's no such thing. Pretty sure it's fucking hallucinating. God damn it. God. Okay, let's switch it over to the Flash version, just so it's faster. Yeah, I'm almost certain that Warudo doesn't have what you're saying. There is no streamer bot thingy. I've already connected the WebSocket. We need to have a WebSocket. We need that action to send a signal through the WebSocket. There isn't an automatic sort of node, I'm pretty sure, that works with StreamerBot. Damn these AI overlords telling me the wrong shit. Oh, my bad. You're right. Fuck this stupid. I hate. Okay, now it's giving me the C code finally. Don't know why it didn't just give me that at the start. Okay, let's go back to Wardo. And actually, no, we need to go to StreamerBot. And then we'll go here, add core C, add method. Wait, not add method. What am I doing? Oh wait, code. I did it right first time. We'll paste the code here, find refs, compile, save and compile. Um, what is it called? What do they call this thing? Anvil trigger. Okay. Um, let's just minimize that then. We'll go over to Warudo. Data type. I don't know what data type is. What did it do as a data type? I'm assuming it is a JSON, right? Honestly, it doesn't matter. We're not taking data. We just need the AOK. Return true. Okay. So it's a Boolean then. All right, so it returns a Boolean. So we'll change this to a Boolean. We'll just call this one. We'll just go like that. And then we'll go back to StreamerBot. Actually, let's enable MiniVini right now, just so we can see if it activates. And then what do we do now? We need to go into StreamerBot and then test trigger. That's not doing anything. That is not doing anything. Okay. Why is that not doing anything? Boolean data. Ah, action anvil trigger. Data true to. I mean, that's what it is, right? It says action anvil trigger here. Oh shoot, I just realized something. I didn't. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I do this every time. I do it every time. Sign in. Sign in. I've just been ignoring fucking YouTube. God damn it. Why? Why do I do that every time? Let me go to YouTube. What did I miss? Did I miss anything? Religion is a subset of type 2. You can offer comfort, sense of belonging, help. Mm, potentially. Yeah, perfect essays. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I forget. I forget I have to log in manually with YouTube. It's not like Twitch. Like Twitch is way more like just constant. Like the chat never goes away. You can always just be logged in automatically. But YouTube doesn't work like that. YouTube is so much more finicky. It's like you can't. The chat doesn't activate until you start to stream. It's so annoying. What was I doing? We have this WebSocket, Anvil trigger. Okay, I'll go to the actions. Yeah. I mean, like, just if you're making a video on it anyway, right? You're making a video on it anyway, so I can just see the video. The video should probably be a lot more clear. So test trigger, and nothing happens. What is the code here? It's a WebSocket sending it to this one. Hmm. I'm gonna send it a picture of this. Go to the AI Studio, and then we'll send it a picture of the WebSocket action and be like, why is this shit not working? All right, so as you can see here, I've set up the sub action that does the WebSocket action, and I have the WebSocket action node. So why is there no anything happening here? I'm doing the test trigger and nothing occurs. There's no signal being sent through to Warudo. You coming up on Jesus Christ. Why are you not sleeping? Oh, do you need medication to help you sleep or something? Fuck, I'd hate that. I'd hate that. That's terrible. Damn. I'm surprised you can keep going. Like as soon like once I pass like 18 hours of being awake, I start to like brain function starts to slow down significantly. Then again, I don't have much going on up there even when I am got a lot of energy either, so I guess it doesn't make that much of a difference. You need at least half a year to finish that video? Damn. I mean, yeah, I guess that makes sense. If it's like a 2 hour long video or something, then that, yeah. Or did you say 3 hour? I don't quite remember. In your Warudo screenshot, waiting for a JSON message to be sent. To fix this, you need to tell, oh my god, why is it telling me to connect it? It's already connected. He's so dumb. What do we do? He's so dumb. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to use a raw one. Damn. We need to confirm that this shit's actually going through. So then we're just going to take a string. Convert. Do we want a string? Yeah, it's a raw message, right? So yeah, we'll just get a string. String. We'll just set string variable. Go over here. We'll add a string. Just call it new variable. It doesn't matter. And let's just look at the raw output from this. Yeah, I imagine it would. I mean, you definitely have a good taste when it comes to visuals based on like the other, what is it called? Um, based on the character that you showed at the Discord. Like that was really cool. So like based on that, yeah, I expect it to be pretty cool when you once you finish it. So let us test the trigger again. Where is it? Where's StreamerBot? Here it is. Huh. There's no raw message going through. Why is this the case? It's definitely connected, right? To Wiredo? It'd have to be. Hmm. It just hides StreamerBot for a second, so I don't show something that I shouldn't. Where's the servers and clients? WebSocket server? It's on. Yeah, it's on. It's running, so it's definitely not that. And I'm pretty sure Wiredo already is working as well. So how do I make it? Oh wait, did I specify where to send it to in the code? Hold up. I didn't. I didn't specify. So where the fuck is it sending that WebSocket? What? Where is it sending it to then? Where is it sending it to? I mean, we already have a WebSocket client set up and it's connected. So I'm gonna send it to this and I'm gonna tell it that it's not fucking actually specifying what client to use or where to send it to or anything like that in the actual code that it gave me. I want to make it all paper as if it's a diorama, one of them books. Yeah, that sounds pretty cool. Sounds really cool. That definitely sounds high product value compared to like a lot of other video essays. Most video essays is just like some B-roll shit in the background where they yap for an hour or two saying the same point over and over again. I don't know. I used to watch a lot of like video essay stuff, but honestly, a lot of it's just not good content. A lot of it's just really bad content. Okay. I'm going to go back to the AI. I'm going to send it an image of the WebSocket connection, and I'm going to be like, yo, AI, so this is the server. It's the client for StreamerBot. It clearly has the connection. I need you to actually specify in the code to send it to the right location, because I think what's happening is that maybe you're not setting it up correctly or whatever. So can you just like look at the code that you gave me and make sure you didn't do something wrong? Because it's connected. It's connected to the Marido, so it should be working. Okay, so it's giving me some correct C code. Hopefully it doesn't, hopefully this shit actually works. Save and compile. Test trigger. We'll go to this one. I don't see anything in the raw data. That's still not good. That's still really not good. Wait, it's unable to compile. There's a mistake. Find refs. Copy all to clipboard. Do that. I'm gonna switch it over to Pro because we're doing code stuff now, so we need to use the Pro version. I don't trust the non-Pro version right now. You gotta write it well, read it well, edit it very well, make it feel like a documentary. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like, I definitely, yeah, the royalty-free music definitely has a, definitely has a, especially when you hear the same song on all different videos. I had the same problem when I was making like the time lapses and I was just using the royalty-free music for YouTube. Like every single time I went to like another video where I heard the same song, it just stood out so much more to me. It's like, ah, yeah, damn it. All right. The AI is saying it's wrong again. It says like, don't worry, I gave it to you right this time. Well, let's fucking see. Yeah, it's compiled successfully. Okay, save and compile. Test trigger. Fuck, shit, the sound freaked me out. Okay, well, I think it worked. Pretty sure it worked. Who knew that a loud banging noise could freak someone out? Yeah. I always had a problem speaking clearly for my videos to YouTube. I always felt like that was something I struggled with. I just don't have the best pronunciation, even though the only language I know is English. I feel like I really slur my words a lot. I see you, Fractal. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy it. Okay, so it seems like the test trigger works. Test trigger, that works. So what we need to figure out now is we need to do what? We need to figure out how to send a redeem. So we'll Google this. How to send a redeem. No, how to trigger a redeem. Trigger. I mean, Fractal did it beforehand, so clearly it's possible. Clearly it's there. The question is just how. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. Think, how does one do this? How do I how do I activate the redeem? Chia? What does chia mean? I don't know. Bro, I don't know anything about Twitch. I don't know anything about Twitch. Wait, I did what? What do you mean you did what? What are you talking about? Anvil 28 minutes ago. I'm just gonna ask the AI. I can't be bothered looking through the fucking Google shit. I'm just gonna ask the AI. I'm just gonna ask the AI. All right, it all seems to be working. On Twitch, how do I activate my redeem? I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy. I just can't. I just hate using Google nowadays. Oh yeah, Fractal did the not Fractal, I mean Nexus did the redeem beforehand. I must have said the wrong name. My bad, my bad. To activate redeem on Twitch, you need to use channel points like a viewer would. Here's a step-by-step. Open your Twitch channel, go to your stream page, locate the chat box, find a reward, click the icon that opened the rewards menu. Rewards menu. What is the rewards menu? Is it this? Get started? Anvil. Redeem. Oh! But nothing happened. No! What the fuck? Huh? Why? Why did nothing happen? What did I do wrong? I don't understand. I redeemed it. Huh. Okay. Think close, think. We redeemed the anvil, but for whatever reason, it didn't. Wait, let me go to StreamerBot. I'll look at the events in the event history, event feed. Does it show that it went through? That's not it. Maybe it's not events, maybe it's something else. Action history? Oh, I now understand why T said YouTube age check question mark. Yeah. So the age check was for the account age, not not like a person's age. So it would look at the account age and make sure it wasn't any, shorter than like a couple of weeks, or else it would just automatically ban the person. But it didn't really work, so I didn't use it. I should probably let's just disable this. Let's just type age. Think. How do I do this? Event history. Okay, let me redeem it again, and let's see if the event history changes with it. So go into rewards, kick it to anvil. I can't redeem it again. You gotta be fucking shitting me. Why? Why can't I just redeem it as much as I want? I'm literally just, I own this, damn it. Shit. Okay, I gotta change it. Maybe I can go into my Twitch settings and adjust it. If I go Twitch, does it let me change it midstream? I fucking hope. Channel? No, not channel. Create a dashboard. We'll go into the viewer rewards, power ups, manage them, go down to Anvil, edit, and we'll make the limit per user to be 5, whatever, save. Let's see if that changes it. It does. Okay, cool. So I did the redeem. Let's go back to the streamer bot. And I see nothing. Ah, fuck. Okay. Let's go back to the AI. I send a picture of me doing the redeem, and then I'll go over to StreamerBot. We go to test R. And copy this one. And we'll go to the AI again. Paste that screenshot. All right, but the problem now is that Twitch has redeem. I can redeem it, and StreamerBot, when I do the test trigger, it works. But for whatever reason, the Anvil, which I know is connected to Twitch because it allowed us to actually select the redeem. For some reason, there's no signal being sent to StreamerBot. When I do the redeem, it doesn't seem to trigger any sort of action in the StreamerBot history. Let's see what it has to say about this. Because yeah, I'm really confused. I don't understand why it wouldn't be working now. Like clearly it's connected to Twitch, right? Or else it wouldn't have showed me the drop down that shows Anvil is there. Okay, let me go to so it says to go to my platforms. Go to your platforms, Twitch, accounts. Is the event subcolumn showing green? What the fuck does it mean, event subcolumn? Oh, it's not. It says connecting. Oh, okay.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Stop making me jealous of all these emotes. Yo, yo, yo. Touch grass. Don't ever touch grass, man. It's not worth it. I tried it one time, made me itchy. Don't do it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. All right. So I'm looking at what you're saying, AI, and it says connecting, but it seems to be stuck on that. Yeah, because it says the services event sub is connecting, but it's just stuck on connecting, so I don't know what's happening there. Okay. I might have to log out of the Twitch and then log back in. Oh, it might make me have to log out. Shit. Okay. For how many fucking emotes do you have? God damn. God damn. Sailor Moon, how cute. Anyway, all right. I want to quickly log out of this thing, so I might not see chat for Twitch for a second, but I need to log out in order to hopefully fix this. Because yeah, the event sub is just hanging and it's not connecting. So let's click that. Okay, we're logged out. We're gonna wait like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's log back in. Work, please, please. Wait, it says connecting even after I logged out. What the fuck is this piece of shit software? Huh. Okay, let's let's just close StreamAbot. Fuck this. Let's reopen it. Open. Open, I say. Go to platforms, Twitch, go down, connect, connect. Fuck. Damn it, why is it stuck on connecting? I don't understand. This is a problem. Okay. Hmm. Just code it yourself. It's not that hard. Just code it yourself. Never. Fucking never. I won't. I don't want to have to fucking contact I don't have to use the API of Twitch and YouTube and then set up a script to connect to both of them. Like, it's not happening. It's not happening. StreamerBot should just work. StreamerBot should just work. It's already a service that's designed to do it. I'm pretty sure this person would always be able to do it better than I can. I just, I just need it to fucking work. Why? Why doesn't it work? Okay. I don't think the AI will be able to help me with this, potentially. We might need to, we might need to Google this.
Look at the chat.
Okay, sure, but at the same time, like, haven't you not done coding professionally or something? Like, I don't think it really could, like, I don't have had a lot of experience with code, all right? I don't have a lot of experience. Like, it'd be very difficult for me. It's much easier for me to use existing programs. StreamerBot event sub stuck on connecting. In the past couple of days, the event sub hasn't connected to StreamerBot. Should update. Believe event sub was deprecated by Twitch. Oh shit. Do I just have too old of a version then? What version is this? 1.0.1. And what does it say? What? No, that can't be right. Huh? I don't understand. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. So they say to log out on StreamerBot and then go to Twitch settings connections and then disconnect the Twitch connection. So let's just disconnect the connection and then reconnect it. And hopefully that might fix it. So we'll log out. We'll close it. Go to the Twitch connections. We will go down. StreamBot. Disconnect. Yes, disconnect. Okay. Let's go back to StreamBot. Go to platforms, Twitch, log in, authorize. Okay, let's log back into Twitch. Connect to chat client. It's still doing it. It's still fucking doing it. Oh my god, what the fuck? Why doesn't it just work? Why won't it just fucking work? What does it want from me? Just tell me what you fucking want from me. Huh.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
I just don't understand. Like the event sub, it's just stuck on connecting and it's just hanging there. So it must be running into some kind of error where it can't connect or it can't authorize or do something. but I don't know what it is. What about the Vini account? It doesn't have. No, that one connects to Event Sub, so why the fuck can't my main account connect to Event? Oh my god. Hmm. Forget this account. Let's just forget the account. Fuck it. Maybe that'll help fix it. Let's try logging in again. Authorize. Fuck my life, bro. Fuck my life. Okay, let's just keep using Google. Maybe Google can tell me why it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work again. I might have to just fucking install a new version or something. I might have to just reinstall it and just hope that does it. And then, I don't know, copy the JSON from the data folder over to, from the old one to the new one, or whatever. Yeah, I probably just need to update it, honestly. Alright, I just don't, it's just such a pain because I'm how to copy data. Okay, let's just download a new StreamerBot version. StreamerBot, you go to it. Let's go to download now. We want I guess this one 1.0.4 4 weeks ago. 64-bit or whatever the thing is. Okay, let's go to our downloads file. I mean our documents. We should have a StreamerBot folder here in somewhere. Where is it? StreamerBot, there it is. Let's open this one. And you gotta be kidding me. Okay. We'll make a new folder and we'll call it StreamerBot 1.0.4 because that's the version. Grab these, paste it in. I'm just gonna have to set up all the connections and stuff again, though. God damn it, I have to set up all the web server stuff. Whatever. Is it closed? Not yet. Let's close it down. I won't be able to see chat for a second, so hopefully this will fix it. I need to unpin it from my taskbar, just because we don't want to use the old version anymore. Let's run this. StreamerBot. Cool, let's go to platforms, go to Twitch, log in, authorize, successfully logged in, connect to event sub. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. What? It's still not working. Okay, so it's not the version then. I should not have unlinked it from my taskbar. Okay. 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 Oh wait, it worked. It connected this time. Never mind, it's not the version. Never mind, it connected. It connected. Okay. It worked this time. So what if I close this and then reopen the other one? Because maybe it was just an authorization thing. Maybe I can just... Oh wait, which is the other one? This one, I think. Let's just run the older one. Maybe it'll connect now that we've connected through that one. Cross our fingers and hope it works. Go into platforms, Twitch. We'll wait 10 seconds, see if it connects, and if not, then yeah, we're just gonna have to use the newly downloaded one. One, two, three, 4, 5. It's not working. Okay. Let's just log into the new one. So I'll log into Twitch. I already am. Let's open up chat. Oh, all my chat history won't be there now. Unfortunate. I mean, I still have the data from the other ones. It's fine. You probably want to update. I still think you are silly. You think I'm silly? What? What? What am I doing that's silly? I don't like this is perfectly fine. This is perfectly fine. Like it doesn't just handle the chat. It handles so many other things too. It handles the different kinds of events, right? It has like a built-in queue system, so if different like redeems and stuff go through, it's able to queue them up correctly and send it over to Wardo. It has the built-in like client and service and stuff. Like it has a lot, right? It has a lot. Like it's not just a connected to chat thing. There's a lot of other features that it has that just is easier to use the software than it is to write it completely myself. Yeah, but I don't know C at all. I don't know anything about C. I know how to use a bit of Python and that's it. Let's connect let's bring the OBS to chat back. Yeah, but being able to do that takes like experience, right? Using other things. Like I don't know, bro. Like I'm not a programmer. I'm not a coder. That shit's beyond me. Okay, so we have that connected now. So I guess let's connect to YouTube so we don't ignore people. Actually, there's no one watching on YouTube. I might just test the thing works first and then I'll connect to YouTube. So I guess I'll go back to Twitch. Where's my Twitch chat? Here it is. I'll go to the thingy, Anvil, redeem. Oh wait, I haven't set up the action or anything yet. Fuck. You know it's not magic. Yeah. Bro, I'm like I get monkey see, monkey do, but it's not to that degree. Yeah. All right, let's log into StreamerBot because it's going to take. I agree, whatever. Go into which YouTube account is it? I think it's this one. Goes to animation. Hopefully that connected. Okay, cool. Let's go to the OBS. Let's bring back StreamerBot. Hold up, why is that not showing anything on OBS? There we go. So what we'll need to do is we'll probably need to add a new action now. So we'll just call it Anvil. We'll do a new trigger. We'll call it Twitch, yeah. Channel reward, channel redemption. Yeah. I mean, I really doubt many people are going to be up at this hour. I'm not going to lie. There's probably not a lot of people awake at this time. Like, it's like 9 a.m. for me. So that means for someone like Jay, it'd probably be like, what, like 7 a.m.? Cheat would probably be like, I don't know, 8 a.m. T, probably like 6 a.m. Whoops, didn't do that right. Fair enough, fair. Actually, what is the time for you, Nexus? I don't know. Europe's sort of like an awkward spot because I know like for America it's like plus 12 hours, so it's fairly easy for me to remember. But for Europe, it's a bit more awkward because Europe is very, I don't know, it's sort of more stretched out. It's, I don't know, 12 p.m. Really? 12 p.m. Wait, is that nighttime? 12 p.m.? Yeah, wait. Wait, was that middle of the day? It can't be the middle of the day, can it? Bro, I get so confused with 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. Is it midday or midnight? Oh, middle of the night. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me look it up. Is 12 p.m. midday or midnight? 12 p.m. is generally considered midday. Yeah, 12 a.m. is considered midnight. Yeah. What was I doing? Oh, I'm needing to go to the AI studio in order to get the code, the C sharp code that it gave me. Copy that. And then we will add Twitch. Where is it? Channel? No. We need code. Core, C sharp, code. Paste this here. Find refs. Compile, save, compile. Test trigger. The test trigger doesn't do anything. Why is it not doing anything? Probably because I don't have the server set up right. The WebSocket. I think it's custom client. Add. Fuck. Okay. Oh, God. God damn it. I don't remember how to do this. Um, okay. I don't remember what the code and stuff is. I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna open the other one and I'm just going to take a screenshot of what the setup was because I don't remember what the endpoint name is and shit like that. What the port it's using is. I think it's like 19 something. I don't really remember. Let's go to services. No servers. Custom clients. Just screen print this. Then I'll just open Paint. I'll just paste a screenshot there. All right, now we can close this one. Go back into the other one. Relaunch that. Platforms. Make sure it's showing up on Twitch. It is not. Going to have to fix that. We'll open up chat first. Log into YouTube. Go to the client, custom client. Go into OBS. Where's OBS? Select that. Oh, why is that not working? There we go. Now we need to go back into StreamerBot. We need to add the WebSocket. We'll go to Paint. So what is it called? Warudo. So Warudo. Fuck, I should have just copy paste. God damn it. Okay, we'll go WS colon //127.0.0.119.190 auto connect, auto reconnect or disconnect. Okay. I think that's fine. Okay, let's go back up to the actions. Let's test trigger. I still hear nothing. I still see nothing. But why? But why? What did I do wrong? It says it's connected, so that's surely it surely should be connected then. Let's hide StreamerBot for a second. Let me just set up the raw connection again. Raw WebSocket, and then set string valuable over here, there. Yo, welcome back, Fractal. Welcome back. We have made 0 progress. I'm not suffering it wrong. I got Nexus here. I got Nexus here. You know, he's giving me some company. Speaking of Nexus, I need to switch this up. There we go. One sec. I'm bringing it back. I've had to reinstall StreamerBot because it wasn't connecting, and I had to reinstall it to get it to work, which sort of fucked up a lot of other things. So I'm having to reestablish the connections through the WebSocket and that. So let's go back to StreamerBot. Let's re-trigger the test trigger. Strange. Why is it not going through? Is there something I'm forgetting? I don't understand. I don't understand. It did connect, right? If I go to the custom clients for WebSocket, it's connected, right? Yeah, it is connected. It can't be a custom server, right? No, it can't be. No, because Warudo is the server and StreamerBot's the client that sends data to the server, so that shouldn't be it. Unless I'm wrong about that? No, I can't be. No, because I don't specify to Warudo which the server that's running, so it just takes the data. So yeah, it has to be. StreamerBot has to be the client then. But why are you mad at Discord for the age verification or something? Did you get that? How do we fix this? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I like, yeah, it's, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know if that type of stuff. I just, I don't even want to think about that shit. It's so sad. It's so upsetting. How do we do this? Why doesn't it trigger? What am I doing wrong? I don't understand. Just send a fucking message. Just, just work. Status none. Is it supposed to have a status of none? Yeah. Like it, yeah, that's, I don't know, bro. It's just so weird. It's just like, shouldn't, like, the parent, like, why do we need the government to be monitoring, like, the age check thing? Like, is that literally not what the parents should be doing? Should the parents not be keeping track of their own kids and what sites they go on and shit? Like, that's literally, like, is that literally not the point of being a parent? Is to, like, moderate your kids and shit? I don't know. Let's have a look at the event feed. Am I actually getting any triggers? It did. It said, so it's receiving it. So the problem now is that it's just not triggering. But why? Why won't you just fucking work? Damn you, damn you, damn you. WebSocket server. Can't be the WebSocket server. There's no, doesn't, I don't understand, bro. It literally says it's connected, I think. Or maybe not. Maybe it isn't connected. Maybe I typed it wrong. Wait, it says status is connect. Status. Oh my. I didn't. I'm so stupid. I didn't connect the. Okay. Whatever. I don't know why I thought it would auto connect after pressing OK, but it didn't. So now it's connected. Let's test the trigger. Okay. Well, that worked at least. Well, that's working. Cool. So let's see if the redeem works now on Twitch. Fucking finally, bro. Oh my god, it finally works. It finally works. Why did it take me 2 hours to do something so simple? God fucking damn it. Yeah. It's crazy, bro. The whole, like, oh, I always hate, like, I always hate that privacy shit. Especially because some people are just like, oh, well, if you got nothing to hide, then, if you got nothing to hide. But like whenever people say that, it always makes me think back to the fucking the Office episode where the Michael guy reads out everyone's medical records like publicly to everyone, and it's just like technically there's nothing wrong with them having medical issues, but like you surely don't want that shit to be out in the fucking open. Like it's literally a saying, right? Like you don't want your like what is it? What's the saying? Like you don't want your undergarments showing. What is the thing? Like don't have your like laundry like hang out for the world to see. Something along the lines of that. I don't remember. But like, yeah, I don't know. But it's good. It's good. This is working now. This is working now. I'm so happy it's working. I can't believe it took me 2 hours to do this. It's so simple. Like, it's so simple. What have I been doing this whole time? I've got plenty of shit to hide. Fair enough, fair enough. It's crazy, it's crazy. Let's let's adjust this one. I'll set it to limit per stream. I'll set it to 10 and then I'll save. Nexus, are you able to test to see if the anvil works for you? Because it works for me, but I don't know if it works for you, anyone else. Yeah. I mean, like, obviously it's silly reasoning, but I have heard people in real life literally say that before, so it's like, it's like, there are some people that think like that, and it's probably why they can, like, do this, oh, think of the children bullshit with the age verification stuff, just to spy on their own citizens and just track them and shit. I need to stop talking about politics. I need to stop talking about politics. Like, it works. Yeah. Yeah, it works. It works. Why would you need wars? Exactly. It's, it's a pure, it's absolutely natural, you know? That's cool, it's cool. It just seems to be working. All right. Now that we've done this redeem, we probably need more, right? See, the problem right now is that this is for mini. So I should probably set this redeem up, not for mini, but for close. Just so yeah. All right, let's switch the scene. Let's open scene. We'll go only close, hit OK. We will go to character, calibrate opens VC face, blah 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 blah. Is it being recorded? No. Where am I not showing? There I am. Hello. It's me. It is I, the guy. Bro, I told him to use it once, not fucking use all of them. All right? That's on Nexus, bro. That's on Nexus. All right, all right, all right. Um How does I still don't even know how the channel points work. Like, how many channel points do people get? Like, what's the how much do you get per stream, like for watching? I need to do research on that so I can appropriately set things. So let's go to the blueprints and we're gonna add some stuff. So we need to have the WebSocket, right? The WebSocket action. Shit, what is the action called? Let's open. Okay, my bad. Well, is 5 channel points even a lot? Like, how much is 5 channel points? Is that even a lot? We need throw prop, activate character role. Oh, I didn't save it. Fuck my life. Whatever. Open scene, close only. Okay. Let's go to here, add. We'll rename this to Anvil. Anvil. 5 channel points? Yo, you have 600? Damn, damn. Okay, well, fuck, bro. Are you really that stingy where I need to refund that? No, no, no. It's fine, it's fine. Oh yeah, Fractal, you probably have a large delay. YouTube tends to have a pretty large delay. I think I can reduce it, but I haven't set that setting up correctly. I think it's streamable. Let's go into the code. What is the action called? The action is called Anvil Trigger. Let's copy that, paste it here. Pretty sure it's just a Boolean. And then we need to have activate, no, what? Actually, let's just look up rag. Activate, yeah, there it is, ragdoll. We'll put the character more bigger, just so we can more easily see this shit. And then we'll zoom out. I see. No, it's not, not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Oh, wait. Am I able to do ads? Can I do ads? Can I force Nexus to watch an ad? I wonder if this works now. Yo, Nexus, buddy or pal, buddy or pal. How do you feel about potentially watching an ad, huh? How do you feel about potentially watching an ad? Hmm. Just for science? Yeah, I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press it. I'm gonna press it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You remember this? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Does it lock him out of the chat if it does ads? I don't know. I don't know how it works. I really do not use Twitch that often. I'm not gonna lie. I don't use Twitch a lot, besides streaming too. Hmm. What was I doing? I'm trying to figure out the connection, right? So we'll set the character, and if I hit this, does it work? Where is the? Cannot see. I'll probably have to make the chat a little smaller. Oh, it works. And then he falls into fucking nothingness. Okay, cool. So Ragdoll's working, but we need to throw out prop to work as well. So we'll go throw prop. Target character will be close. Prop source will be anvil. Impact will be. Let's look at the gallery. What impact do we want? This one maybe? Launch sound, anvil hit. No. Fall sound. Impact sound is anvil hit. Okay, what happens if I hit this so far? Okay, okay. Well, I mean, it's somewhat working. Was there an ad? Oh my God, it worked. Holy shit. Bro, that's so cool. Now, if anyone ever pisses me off, I can threaten everyone with ads. I can threaten people with ads. It's like, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't make me bring out the ad stick, you know? And just like that, Close lost all of his audience. Okay, interesting. So how do I change this so it does it from above? I wonder. I don't remember. It's been a while since I've adjusted this. If I select this character, does it give me a thing? It does. So how do I... Oh, it does it from camera. I see. So I don't want to do it from camera. I want to do it from somewhere from above character head. There we go. And then we'll probably increase the distance just so we can fall a bit more. Damn. Is this just me or does that like go really fast? I need to slow that down. We'll go 5. Speed will go like 2. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Now the question is should it activate Ragdoll? Because, mm, I think I won't for now. I think I won't make it do Ragdoll. Actually, let's have a look. What does it look like? Hmm. Oh, fuck it. We'll just do that. And then we'll do it on WebSocket action, put it here, and cool. Now let's just save this scene, and we have the anvil. All right. Now, what we need to do is we need to set up another redeem. And I wanted the other redeem to be a music sort of thing. I think Cheat was talking about it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what I'll do is we'll make a new one and we'll call this one um music, I guess, 'cause fuck it. And oh, we'll have to make this one be an animation layer, won't we? Unless there's a way to set animation. Animation. Play character idle animation. Character 1. And that's probably not it. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. Look at my character spaz out. Oh god. And then interesting. Is there a way to is there like a delay? Delay data flow. Not data. We want control flow delay. So we'll do it for like maybe 10. I'll grab this, I'll paste it, we'll bring it over here, and then hopefully we can turn off the dance. And we can just do just a default generic. So let's just turn that on like that. You're gonna model something? Go for it, Nexus. Go for it. Do do another thick goblin girl, or like maybe like a lizard head or something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what your range is. Okay, so it does a dance. Now let's wait 10 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah. It works. Cool. So now we just need cobalt heads. Oh, cobalts, interesting. Isn't that isn't that like the rat thing? I don't really remember. It's been a while. Let's go look for WebSocket action. We'll go over to this one. Oh, we'll probably need a new name for it. All right, yeah. Um, we need to play a sound, so we probably need a sequential flow or something. Flow, se, a sequence. You're right thing. Whoa, bro. Whoa. So rude, so rude. I'm just telling it as it is, bro. I'm just telling it as it is. I'm pretty sure it's literally a rat thing. Unless I'm misremembering it. And then we'll go play sound. Precious and huggable. Is that right? Is that right? All right, I might need to go into DaVinci Resolve again and export the audio from the video file. Oh, that reminds me, have my emotes been approved yet? How long does it take for that to happen? They have not. I see you, Fractal. I hope you have a good sleep, man. Till next time. Ciao, ciao. Okay. So let's open this back up. And I guess it's time to switch over to DaVinci. Where's DaVinci? Here it is. Okay. So we'll go back to the editor mode, delete this shit, and we want to drag in the music video because we need to get the audio. Now, where did I say that to? Is it Vini Chibi Dances? This one. No, that's not it. What? This isn't the right one. It mustn't be dances then. It must be something else. Oh, wait. No, it wouldn't be Vini. It would be close. So it must be in VRM then. VRM. Where's the VRM? Here it is. VRM, animations, Teto. Yeah. Reference? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's here. Oh, fuck, that's loud. We need to turn this down. Okay. Let's, and how many, so this is 6 seconds. Oh, wait, I don't have the, yo, Newton, what's up? What's up? How you going, bro? How you going? I have Twitch redeems now, and I have like the affiliate thing, so I'm just setting some of that stuff up now. So I've got one redeem set up right now, which is the anvil head. So it drops like an anvil on the head, which is cool. And then now I'm setting up a different one. Okay, so we want 10 seconds, right? So this should be 16. Like that. Actually, 6 seconds too much. 10 seconds might be too much. Maybe we want it a little lower. I might get hit by copyright if I do that. Let's do 13. So that's like what, 7 seconds-ish? Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll go into the export and we'll export this as an audio file only. So we'll come over here, audio only, and we'll export this to the VRM file. Where is it? VRM, here it is. VRM animations? Yeah, animations. We'll put in the reference and we'll just say audio. Actually, no, we won't put in reference. We'll just make a new folder, call it audio. Audio. That's not how you spell that. God damn it. Audio. And then we'll call this Teto Dance. Save that. Why can't I add it to render queue? Huh? But why? Why is this grayed out? Audio? What? What is happening? Why is it refusing to, huh? Damn you. Oh wait, now it's working. Okay, I don't know what the fuck that was about. Cool. Let's play that. And now, let us go to... I wonder, does the audio play from Warudo? Do you guys hear that audio? I guess we'll find out. Let's open the sounds folder. And let's drop in that new file that we just generated, the Tato Dance. Copy that. I'm not playing it right now. I'll play it in a moment, and we'll see if you can hear it. I'll open. We will find, where is it? Tato Dance. Do you hear this? Okay, I'll have to add it then. Let's go to Warudo scene, and we have a game audio. We'll switch it over to the maybe it's Warudo here. All right, let's test this. So it shows up in the game audio. So it seems like as you can see it in the channels, but whether or not it's actually sending it is a different story. Am I sending it to the different things? What about then? Did you hear it then? Okay, cool. Cool. So what we'll do is that we'll have a sequence. So the idea is that once the redeem happens, it does that. Though the animation's a little slow. Probably want to make this 7 too, not 10. Is there a way to increase the animation speed? I don't think there is. I think I have to do it as layer. Let me see if I can do it as a layer if it breaks it. Let's look for animation. Play character one-shot overlay animation. Increase the speed like 2. We would do Teto Dance 1, character and character. What does this do? Okay. That's not bad. Is there a way to do it multiple times though? Because it says play it one shot. So it seems like it only does the loop a single time and doesn't play it multiple. Is there a way to control the amount of loops that does? I guess not. Okay, maybe there's a different node for that. So set animate control integer. What is a control? Set animate to control Boolean? I don't know what that means. Play idle, play character one shot, set character overlapping source. Maybe I need to use this one. Okay, so we haven't actually set it yet. So we'll go over to the character, and then we'll create an overlapping source. We'll add a new one, and we'll make it the tail dance. Okay. Now let's go back to the blueprints. And if we apply that here, what am I doing? Why am I doing that? Delete that. If we select the tail dance, and then we say tail dance, what does this do? It does it, but it doesn't let us affect the speed. So I guess we have to do that into here. So we'll set this to be like, what do we want the speed to be? Probably like 1.5. Try it again. Did that work? I'm not sure. I'm just going to set this up in like 5, just so I can make sure it's actually doing what I think it's doing. Just so we can see it more clearly. It's not. It's actually not working. Damn. Okay. Huh. Why is that not working? Damn. Why is that speed not being affected? That's a pain. Maybe this isn't the right one. Let's go back to animation. Play character idle animation. Set character overlapping. Oh, I see. Set character overlap speed. What? Why is that two different things? Why is it not just the same one, but what? Hold up. If we set the speed to like 5, then we enter, what does it do? It does nothing. And what if I hit this? Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's set this to like 2. 1.5. Okay, much better, much better. I guess we can let people set the do like different versions with different speeds. So that means we don't want to play. But how do we stop it then? If we can set if we can set the character source, can we then unset it? If I hit this again, what happens? Nothing. It keeps playing. What if I set this to just nothing? Can I set this to nothing? Um, where's the default? No, I think it's called generic. Generic, yeah. Let's set this to like Okay, but now this doesn't work. Shit, now it doesn't work at all. Now that I've done that. Doing this broke it. Shit. Why did it break it? Bro, what did I do? I broke it! No! What did I do? Okay, now it's working. Hmm. Animation. What if I set this to character 1 and then I just say generic? That does do it. Okay, so that does stop it. And if I hit that, it plays it again. And then I can hit that and it resets it. Okay, cool. So that's what we want to do. All right. So we'll delete this one, put this over here, delete this one, put this over here, put this underneath, set the speed to 1.5, that's fine. Send this into this one, play here, go there. All right, now let's test it. Maybe like 0.3 instead. Make the transition speed like 0.3, 0.3. Just because we don't need it to we need it faster. Did the slowing again? Interesting. I guess I have to do it like this and set it every time. Okay, cool. Okay, let's save the scene now. Okay, let's save the scene. We can probably add particle effects too that has the video in the background. That'd be pretty cool. But can we do that with particle effects? I wonder. Let's see if we can do something with particles. Let's come over here. Let's add. And we'll look for you know what? I will be right back. I need to go to the bathroom and get myself another coffee. And then we'll see if we can do the particle stuff. So, sorry about this, but I shall be back in a moment. If you want to close the door, so I think it should be because I'm if you want to close the door. Okay. All right, and I'm back. Oh shit. Whoops, I should have muted myself. My bad, my bad. I didn't think you'd be able to. I was in the hallway, so I thought that wouldn't be picked up. Whoops. Yeah, my mistake, my mistake. Oh, yeah, there was no milk. There was no milk, so I can't have a coffee. So that's upsetting, but it's fine. I'll order milk later. Um, what was I doing? There was something I was thinking about. Something I was thinking about. This one. Um, oh, particle effects. That's what I was doing. Particle effects. Let's have a look. We will go down to screen. Where is it? How do I do particle effects? It should be somewhere around here. Wind, directional controllers, lattice. Oh, lattice deformer. That could be neat. I might actually apply that for, for the anvil, because if I can have the anvil fall in the head, I could deform the head with the lattice deformer. I might try that soon. But let's just do the particle effects first. Is there no particle effects? I could have sworn that there were some. Huh. Maybe it's a prop? Let's just add a prop. We'll just call it test P. And then we'll do what? Source? Well, ignore the source. Meshes, attach collision. No, I guess it's not this then. Unless maybe it is. It's not really what I want. All right. I'm gonna have to look up how to do it because I do not remember. I could have sworn that you could do particle effects in Warudo. Particle effect Warudo. How to spawn particles in Warudo. I see. It must be done within the blueprint thing. Okay. Okay. So we'll go to blueprints, the music one, and we'll search for spawn particle. Is it just attached to character one? It seems like you can have videos with a particle effect. Interesting. Power impact. Where's the source file for this? What if I use elasticity? No. Wait a minute. How is there not more particles? Maybe I need to actually set it up in something like Unity in order to do it. Because yeah, we can see particles here, but I see it must be some kind of Unity thing. You must have to do it within Unity. Okay. Wait. Um, Let me just ask the AI bot real quick. I'm assuming you just have to set it up in Unity and then you shall call. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's not jump to I'm pretty sure Unity has its own built-in particle system. All right. Let's I'm pretty sure it has its own thing. I probably can just drop in like a GIF or a video or something and have it spawn the particle of the videos. All right. AI bot, when it comes to creating particles for Warudo, do I need to set that up in Unity? So if I wanted to create my own particle effect where just an image of, I don't know, some character just spawns a bunch of images of the same character, does Warudo have a way to just drop in an image and for it to auto-generate particles, or do I need to set that up in Unity and set up some sort of particle effect that way? Short answer, yes. You generally use it up in Unity. All right. Um, okay. If that's the case, then I might just work on the lattice thing and test that out and see if we can have the lattice have a go thingy. So let's just save this scene. Oh, you know what we should do? We should probably set up this redeem, right? I still haven't set up the actual redeem. So let me set that up and make sure that works, and then we'll move over to do the lattice. So we'll go to Twitch. Um, we'll go to where? View rewards, power-ups and thingies, manage power-ups, add new custom reward. What do we call this? Teto dance. Description, Teto dance. We'll just make it cost 1 for now. Um, cooldown and limits. We'll make the cooldown be in minutes. We'll make it actually, let's not do cooldown yet. Let's just do limit redemption by stream. We'll say 10, and then we'll say by user by 5. And this is for close. So I guess for close, we'll make it brown because the hair color of the character is brown. So I guess that sort of makes sense. And then create. Okay, so now that we've created that, we should be able to go back to StreamerBot, add a new thing, call it Teto Dance. Okay. And then we need to add Twitch rewards, add Twitch reward redemption. We will make it Teto Dance. Okay. And then we're just going to copy the copy sub action and paste it over here. Paste sub action, except we're going to rename it to something else. So instead of anvil trigger, we'll just call it Teto dance underscore dance. Copy that. Save and compile. Now let's go back to Warudo. Come over here. Paste that action name to Teto dance. Now let's go back to Twitch. Stream manager. Go into rewards. Hit Teto dance. Redeem. Okay, it works. It works. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So that's one. That's another thing down. Let's see if we can manipulate the anvil to use a lattice. So it seems like the deform lattice was its own separate object. Lattice deform. So we'll attach it to character 1, the head, deform assets, asset character 1. Maybe not all meshes. We'll deform the face and the hair, but not the body. Okay. Now how do I actually activate the use elasticity? High quality, sure. But how do I activate it? How do I actually deform? Deformation. Oh, I think I see the lattice. So is it changing of the scale? What happens if I change the scale? It doesn't do anything. Oh, I can grab corners. Though it's... Please add a blend shape to edit first. Okay, so we need to have a blend shape for the lattice. Okay. We'll call it blend shape 1. Edit blend shape. Okay. What? Drag the handles of the lattice. Oh, it doesn't do the... Okay. Let's cancel that for a moment. Let's get rid of the, let's just deform all. Edit blend shape. Where's the, I wish it wasn't black on black. I cannot see the corners, the lattice. Or something like this. There we go. Nice. Okay. So what we can do then, since we have that lattice there, we can go to the we need on collide for it to do something. What do we want it to do? We need to look up lattice set lattice deform blend shapes and then reset, I guess. So we'll go lattice deformer, blend shape 1, on collide. I guess we need to use the sequential thing. Okay. Sequence. And then what do we do after do we sequence? Value to be 1. And then just reset it. But we need to use a delay. We don't want to reset it immediately, right? So we'll delay. Delay flow control. And we'll do something like, I don't know, maybe like 7 seconds, I guess, again. All right, let's see what happens if we do this. See, that happens too quickly. Why is that not on impact? Let's get rid of the ragdoll. I don't think the ragdoll is good. I think it just makes things harder. On collide. Yeah, there we go. I think that's good enough. I think that's alright. Okay, I like that. I think I like that more than the ragdoll. It's save scene. Okay. So we have the What happens if I do this in the middle of it? I guess it's two works. I guess it's two works. Cool, cool, cool. So we got the redeem for the anvil. We have the music. What else do I need to add? Bro, why is my lips and mouths not making any movements? I don't understand. Like, how is that still so broken? Oh, it's not even connected. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Current volume 0. So you can see it. It's detecting it. But for whatever reason, it's not working. Work? It's definitely picking up the sounds. I don't know. I don't know why the lips aren't working. I'll have to figure it out another day, dude. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it's broken suddenly. It's very annoying though. Maybe the phonemes aren't set? No, it's set to a blend shape. The blend shapes definitely do exist, but for whatever reason it just doesn't work. And I don't know what the reason that is. Okay, whatever redeems do we need? So we have anvil, we have music. We need the skeleton one, the skeleton that Jay is always on about, the fucking Skyrim one. The problem with that is that I'm going to need to figure out how to get that FBX, you know? Oh wait, the lattice is being shown still. Let's hide that lattice. I couldn't see it in my viewport, but it's very apparent on the other one because there's alpha behind it. Enabled. I guess I just have to click off it. Maybe if I just click environment, that will get rid of its visual. Let's look at OBS. Yeah, that worked. Okay, cool. Rate my art redeem. Your art redeem? Wait, what do you mean your art redeem? Wait, let me have a look. Are you streaming? Wait. No, you're not. What art redeem? You mean the one that you did just a Tero dance over and over again? I mean, considering I made that redeem. Oh, I see, I see. No, but I said I was making cobalt heads. Look, I mean, if that's what you're into, that's what you're into, dude. I can't necessarily say that I like those rat head looking ass motherfuckers. Those rat faced big ass buck teeth wrinkly ass things, but you know, if that's what you like, go for it, buddy. Go for it. You take that back. Hey, I'm just, bro. Am I wrong though? Am I wrong? At least from the kobolds that I've seen, cobalt are hot. What the fuck? Okay, I need to look this shit up. Am I? Is there like more modern age kobolds I just am unaware of? What? Nah, no, I don't think I am wrong about that one. I think I think you have a very check DMs. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Nah, you would never do that, hopefully. Let me think. Let me think. All right, let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. Okay. I mean, it looks more like a dragon. I don't see how that's like a cobalt. I thought cobalt were like different. It's like a humanoid dragon. Oh, I got a message. What did I get a message for? A message from who? Oh shit, that reminds me, I was supposed to do something else. Okay. All right. Um, and you would die on that hill. Okay. All right. I probably don't really want to stop streaming now, but I just got a message of something that I need to deal with. So I think I got the email too. Give me a second. I see. Okay. All right. Um, okay. Yeah, I've had issues because I was supposed to get the blood test for my work, but they never gave me a referral to do the blood test, and I'm pretty certain last time they gave me a referral to do the blood test. Whatever this time, for whatever reason, this time they're not giving me a referral, and now they're telling me I have to see the GP. So I was waiting for a referral from them, but they never. Am I misremembering that? I'm just gonna check real quick. Did they give me a referral last time? Could have sworn they did, but maybe I'm misremembering it. But yep. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the stream. I'm gonna have to call up the local the doctor thingy and get a referral from them and hopefully get this done now because I don't want my work to be delayed. So I'm gonna head off. Thank you for joining me for the stream. Nexus, not if you're still there. Thank you for being here as well. But yeah, I have to do shit. I need to get some things done. So I'm gonna be heading off now. When I get back, I think if I mean, hopefully I can just do this in the next few hours. I'll probably be back in a few hours if I'm lucky. And then I'll try to do more redeems. Because honestly, this shit's hilarious. I like this shit. I like this shit. Oh, actually, I should probably do the commission first. Actually, yeah, I'll probably have to work as a commission. But until then, ciao ciao. Till next time. Close out.